Good day. We almost at the end of the week. We just want to look at how the market has been playing. So we gonna start looking at the DXY. The DXY, we've seen the DXY starting to pull upwards. So the DXY, as you could remember, when we look at the daily, the DXY basically, yeah, on higher time frame, yeah, we were still bearish. As you could see, this is the daily current order flow leg. So price is literally, yeah, pulling back or retracing back to areas of premium. So the DXY, as you could see, the buy was stationed from here and price started initiating upwards. If we go to 4 hour, you could see how price has been uh, sponsored to the upside, and you can see the chalk when it mitigated this daily supply, this daily demand. We got a shift and price started aiming for buy side liquidity. As you see currently, we have our inducement. This is the inducement, the current inducement level that we have. I'm hoping to see DXY giving me a pullback, yeah, in order to clear out all this inducement, attacking this sell side liquidity, because below here we have a fresh area of demand that hopefully we can start buying off of. So this is the DXY. I'm offering for a pullback. If inducement gets taken out, then price will likely be seen to mitigate this area of demand. Yeah, probably by next week. Yes, Monday, Tuesday, I'm expecting, even today, I'm expecting a pullback. Yeah, because here we're having a level of inducement and liquidity below here, and we have our fresh area of demand. So I'm hoping to see price pulling back, as you can see, pulling back. Then after, I'll continue to see a continuation to the upside. Yes, because when we look at the upside, I have areas of supply. So this is my extreme area of supply on the DXY. I'm hoping to see the DXY continuing to buy with effect from Tuesday, Wednesday, all of the coming week. So when we come back to GBPUSD, this is the pair I traded. GBPUSD, we've been seeing a massive drop, and that drop is contrary to the movement of the dollar. You could see this is GU. GU, as you could see, we have a reaction point area. This is the extreme order block. This is the demand area. It's a reaction point. You can see we're still hoping to continue down, because when you look at the daily on GU, we still have an extreme area of demand that I'm hoping to see price actually retracing towards. So when we come back to 4 hour, you could literally see that we're still bearish on the retracement. We're still bearish. So basically, this is the inducement that we currently have, of which I'm hoping to be taken out. Then price mitigates this area of supply. So this is what I see. Yeah, if I'm to take more shots, I would wait to confirm more shots further down off of this area of supply. You understand? And I'll be aiming for this sell side liquidity. All this is sell side liquidity. All these are liquidity zones. As you could see further down, we have a fresh demand zone. This is my extreme area where I'm hoping to take profits. So I'll be waiting for shorts off of this supply. The same applies to Euro USD. The setups have to be weighted upon, because you could see, yeah, this is the inducement that I'm hoping to be taken out. This is the area of supply of which I'm eyeing. You could see, yeah, once maybe price manages to pull back upwards, just like you see, yeah, then I would think of selling it, continuing, yeah, to the downward side. So Euro USD, GBP USD, I'm still hoping to stack in more sales. Yes, maybe next week. So Bitcoin has been exciting, and I'm hoping to take some trades on Bitcoin. Alongs, Bitcoin has been really, so this was my level that I had on Bitcoin, the level of 64. When we come on to daily, you can see Bitcoin is literally sitting at the daily demand. Let me go to weekly. It's gonna be clear enough so that you can see. Yeah, BTC, you see, is exactly at the reacting off of the weekly demand. So I'm hoping to see a bull run start off from this area of demand. I'm hoping to see price now reversing towards the all-time highs. So when you go to 4 hour, 4 hour is clear enough. You could see the clear possible market structures. As you see, I'm hoping to swing Bitcoin for good, understand, to long it. As you could see, price has been testing this area of demand a couple of times. It gave us a shock. It came back to clear all this internal range liquidity. Now it's setting up to see that it starts longing. So the bull run maybe might start now. I'm hoping to see that Bitcoin continues now to reverse and continues to buy. So another pair that I have is USD-ZAR. USD-ZAR is the pair actually I'm willing to swing. USD-ZAR, I've been waiting for my point of interest on H4. This is H4 that I have. Price is currently mitigating towards this area of demand currently, but I'm hoping to see an extension towards the supply area because it's still valid. You can see the imbalance. Then I'll continue to see that I sell off USD-ZAR towards this area of 1571. When I come to weekly, yeah, you can literally say DXY USD-ZAR actually. USD-ZAR is still bearish. Is still bearish. So this is also a good pair to swing if you are to wait for it to react upon this area of supply. USD-ZAR, yes. By next week or tonight, I don't know about the volatility, but in case it reacts and it gives me a sharp turn, a confirmation to sell, I'll be selling off USD-ZAR. Another pair to look at should be GJ. These yen crosses. Yen crosses are pretty moving so well. Yen crosses. And also gold. Gold is likely to continue buying because you can see, yeah, it's literally likely to break above this supply because we have the extreme supply above, as you could see. Gold is literally likely to break above this supply, giving us a choke. And since we happen to get a choke, we'll be now targeting all this buy side liquidity and this imbalance towards the extreme supply. Silver is the same thing. Silver, I'm having a supply above, definitely. So I'm waiting to see how it's gonna react. Is it likely to break above this supply and give us the choke to continue up to this extreme area of supply? So I'm still waiting to see that. So this is what I had for today. Yeah, have a blessed weekend. Yeah, see you next week, Monday. Bye.